Hospital workers, what's the worst thing you've seen a patient go through? I had a patient in a nursing home who was 89 years old with stage 4 pancreatic cancer and dementia. She was married at one point but her husband was dead, and all their 8 children were dead too. She had no one. Most days she didn't know where she was, but she would also have days where she was lucid, and on those days she would remember her cancer and that she was alone. Those days she would cry a lot. As her lucid days got further apart as her physical health declined, she got to where she would only eat if I was the one feeding her. I did a lot of unpaid overtime to make sure she was eating and drinking. Watching that poor woman have to face the reality of her cancer over and over again, then realize she was alone in the world was horrible. The day she died I walked by her room as they were cleaning out her things, and I saw a picture of her sister. We didn't look identical, but we had similar features. I think she thought I was her sister.